Tornadoes rip through Texas. Aon Benfield recaps global cats. Russia's cabinet approves more foreign investment in insurance companies. And RIM's executive director prepares for the largest risk management event in the U.S. This and more, you're watching World Risk and Insurance News on RIN TV. Hello, I'm Manoush Samarodi, and here's what's happening in the world of insurance. We begin with a look at the severe thunderstorms that hit parts of the U.S. Some 18 tornadoes ripped through the Dallas-Fort Worth-Arlington metropolitan area last week, damaging hundreds of homes and businesses, canceling over 400 flights at the Dallas-Fort Worth airport, and tossing tractor-trailers in the air like toys. Look at that video. The Insurance Council of Texas says insured losses are expected to top tens of millions of dollars. According to RMS, it's been a highly active year, with 383 tornadoes reported from January to March and 223 in March alone. Meanwhile, Aon Benfield released its Global Catastrophe Recap Report. According to Steve Jakubowski, president of Aon Benfield's Impact Forecasting, the first 3 months of 2012 sustained more than $1.8 billion in insured losses from convective storms. And that's before we even enter the most active severe weather months of the year. According to the Moscow Times, the share of foreign investment in Russian insurance companies may double in the near future. A bill approved by Prime Minister Vladimir Putin increases the limit of foreign ownership in Russian insurance firms from 25% to 50%. According to the Federal Financial Markets Service, about 570 insurance companies currently operate in Russia, including Allianz, AXA, and Aviva. The State Duma will now consider the draft law. Next week, more than 10,000 risk professionals will descend on Philadelphia for the annual RIMS conference and exhibition. For a preview of this important conference, RIN TV sat down with Mary Roth, Executive Director of the Risk and Insurance Management Society.
Risk management is an exciting profession. It's ever evolving, and it's more important than ever. Risk managers are asked to do more with their boards, with their CEOs, to integrate risk management into the entire entity. They are faced with emerging risks on a daily basis, and they are faced with new challenges even within their organizations to integrate risk management across the entity. Risk managers are now having the opportunity to sit down and look at the organization through the strategic lens. And RIMS is there to provide our members with the information and knowledge that they need to be able to sit at that table. RIMS 2012 Annual Conference and Exhibition will be held in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at the Pennsylvania Convention Center from April 15th through the 18th. Attendees come from the risk management community, the insurance community, as well as other areas within corporations that deal with risk on a regular basis. It's the place to go to learn, to network, to see your peers that you haven't seen in a year, to talk to your industry partners all in the same place. It's efficient and effective. The amount of business and learning and solution sharing that goes on at the conference is unparalleled.
For our full interview with Mary Roth, please check out our on-demand library. Well, that's our program. I'm Manoush Samarodi reporting from New York. We hope you'll join us for inside coverage of the annual RIMS conference and more World Risk and Insurance News on RIN TV.